Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. Stop code Inaccessible boot device. The Inaccessible boot device error message indicates a problem with your computer's ability to access the boot drive, the drive containing the operating system. This can cause the computer to blue screen and restart repeatedly. Follow me to fix the problem. After the laptop restarts, it will show repair mode, then the automatic repair screen will appear. Then click on Advanced Options, then click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options again, then click on Startup Repair option. As soon as you click on it, your PC will automatic diagnosing and repair the laptop or PC for a while. If the same problem still shows, then consider that the problem is from the BIOS settings. Undo BIOS UEFI changes. If you've reset the boot order or drive priority improperly, restoring previous settings usually sets things right. The stop code may pop up, for example, when changing controller mode from legacy to AHCI, or from RAID to AHCI in the BIOS. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Check BIOS UEFI settings. Enter your BIOS UEFI settings usually by pressing Dell, F2, F12, or ESC during startup. Once you've successfully entered the BIOS interface, navigate to the section labeled Main or Advanced or System Configuration. Within the Main or Advanced or System Configuration tab, locate the option named SATA mode. Adjust the setting for this option to RAID on or AHCI mode. After making this configuration change, save your settings within the BIOS and exit the interface. Proceed to reboot your system and see if the issue is resolved. After the computer is turned on, the computer will be turned on without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.